Welcome to today's theme park adventures, where today I am at SeaWorld Orlando, and yeah, I'm about to go on Pipeline, the surf coaster. This is the only one of its kind, so let's get on. Coming off the Pipeline, the first and only surf coaster, as for now. Yeah, that was a very good ride. We got a front row ride, as you can see from the POV, and the amount of airtime you get, because the seats lift up as well, the amount of airtime you get on that ride is insane. It was my first ever stand-up coaster, and it's the next gen stand-up coaster, and it's a really weird sensation to be standing up and going through something like an inversion. So yeah, great ride, Pipeline.